Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to remove and replace the seat on your Honda VFR800. You've just bought this bike, or if you're just not familiar with it, it isn't actually as obvious as it might first hopefully seem. But I'll take you through this, and once you understand how it works, it will seem a lot easier. So the seat is locked in place by a metal kind of spigot under here, which is attached to the seat, and there's a locking mechanism underneath which is holding that in place. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the key in here. It is a sprung loaded key, so if I twist it and let go, it's just going to let go. It's going to go back. So keep it twisted, and then over here we're just going to lift up the rear of the seat. As soon as you've done that, the seat is now unlocked. There's nothing else under here locking the seat into place. It was just that spigot into that locking mechanism. The rest of the gear holding the seat to the bike is just a series of kind of plastic lugs underneath corresponding lugs on the bike frame. So all we need to do is just pull it backwards and just sort of wiggle it back a little bit, and it comes away quite easily. It sometimes sticks a bit at the front there. And you can see what I mean now that I've pulled it away. So these are just a couple of rubber spacers, but these lugs here, they engage with this rubber cylinder here, and these lugs back here, they engage with these kind of heavy duty wire sort of lugs over here. So all they need to do is just slide underneath. So when you're going to put it back on, all you've got to do is bear that in mind. And I generally find if you put it roughly into place and then get the front ones, the very front ones in first, and then the back ones in, and then once you've got them all, and you can see it's sitting pretty low profile to the bike, just push it forward a bit, and then once it's pushed forward, the only thing that you need to do now is just to lock it in place, is that rear lock. Just push it down. There you go, that's it. Simple as that. That is how you remove and replace the seat on your Honda VFR800.